Hello everyone, today I'm going to be showing you guys how to set up and create a YouTube channel. So first off, if you don't know what to do, always go to youtube.com. That's of course the basics of it. It's right here at the top left. And then you just want to go over to the right side of your screen and left click inside of this icon. And when you do so, you see the option to create a channel. Once you select the channel, it will pop up this menu. And then this is where you can select like your name and your YouTube handle. If you choose to update it, you can change it to whatever you would like to. This is just how they can find and locate your YouTube channel. And then you just want to go down and create your channel, and it will create a YouTube channel. Of course, if you wanted to, you can select the picture. And now you have a YouTube channel. It will show your name at the very top with your channel's name. It will also show your tag underneath, which is your @ and how people can find you. Of course, it gives you options to customize the channel and manage your videos, but I will get into that on a later video.